In this video, I am going to teach you how to change your Payoneer account to a business account. This is useful if you want to receive payments as a company or freelancer. Make sure to follow each step carefully. Let's get started. Go to Payoneer and sign into your account. Make sure your account details are up to date. In the dashboard, go to the Get Paid section. This is where you manage incoming payments. Next, click the Request a Payment option. This will open up more profile settings. You will see the Business Profile section. Click the Submit button next to it. This is where you update your account type. Just answer all the questions like selecting your business category, entering your business name, business website, and other required information. Double check your information to make sure it's accurate. After you finish answering everything, just click Submit, then wait for Payoneer to approve your request. You'll get an email notification once it's approved. And that's how you change your Payoneer account to a business account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical guides. See you next time!